In this video, I will be showing you how to create tasks and subtasks in Board View on ClickUp. ClickUp's Task and Subtasks feature in Board View offers a dynamic and visual approach to manage your projects. With tasks displayed as cards and subtasks nested within them, this view provides an intuitive way to organize and track your team's progress. By utilizing the drag and drop functionality, you can easily move cards across customizable columns, representing the workflow stages. To generate a task from Board View, follow these steps. Hover your cursor beneath any column, and at the bottom, click on the plus New Task button. Provide a name for the task. Additionally, you have the option to include any optional task details. Finally, click on Save to create the task. To add a subtask from Board View, follow these steps. Click on the Add Subtask button located at the bottom of the task card. Give your subtask a name, and press Enter. If needed, you have the option to add an assignee, due date, or any other additional information. If this video helped, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.